Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at how we find the state of a substance at a particular temperature. And in my example here, I'm going to go for iron first. I'm going to show you how to do this for iron. And the two key measurements I need are the melting point and the boiling point. So to help me to do this, I'm going to draw myself a number line. I'm going to mark 0 down here. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark on this number line the melting point, which is 1538 degrees C. And I'm going to label that so I know that there's a change in state happening at that point. And I'm going to mark on the boiling point, which is 2862, and that's the boiling point. Now then, what I'm going to remember here is that change of state at the melting point, as the material comes up to this temperature, it is going to be a solid. It is then going to change state at the melting point and become a liquid. So from this point in, from here all the way up to the boiling point, this is going to be a liquid. And then once it's boiled, it is going to then become a gas. So from that point on, it'll be a gas. All I have to do now is look at my temperature that we've got this substance stored at. It's 1647. Go to my number line, and that is going to be somewhere in this space here, 1647 degrees C, and therefore that means that this substance is a liquid at that temperature. So in my table, I can record that this is a liquid. I'll just show you one more, because when we deal with the non-metal elements, sometimes they can be a bit trickier. So if we do this for oxygen, so I draw myself a number line. Again, I go to my table here and I've got the melting point and boiling point, but notice they're negative numbers. So my number line, my 0 is going to be here. I'm going to come all the way down to minus 219 degrees C, and that is the melting point. And then here at minus 183 degrees C is the boiling point. So again, what this means is when I work from here up to this temperature, it's going to be a solid, and then in between these two, it's going to have melted but not yet boiled, so it's going to be a liquid, and then beyond the boiling point, it will be a gas. So I go to my table, it tells me it's minus 230. Minus 230 is way down here, degrees C. Therefore, in this example, the oxygen is going to be a solid. Easy way to do it, using number lines, and it prevents you from making a mistake.